The DeWALT DWXAF101 air filtration system boasts a two-stage filtration system, combining a static cotton medium efficiency filter and an H11 HEPA high efficiency filter. This dynamic duo is capable of filtering over 95% of 0.3 micrometers particles, ensuring a thorough cleaning of the air in your workspace. One standout feature is the 8-hour timer settings, allowing users to preset durations of 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. This is a practical addition for those who prefer automated control and wish to conserve energy by having the unit turn off when not needed. The 4 working modes, high, mid, low, and auto, provide flexibility and adaptability based on the air quality. The auto mode, in particular, impresses with its automatic sensor that monitors air quality, adjusting the filtration intensity accordingly. Ease of use is a notable advantage, thanks to the built-in IF remote controller and filter replacement reminder function. Hanging the unit from the ceiling is made simple with hooks and chains, and the flip-up handle facilitates portability. However, some users express dissatisfaction with the remote control, citing a need for direct line of sight and limited responsiveness. The suggestion for a Bluetooth-enabled app is also mentioned, highlighting the potential for improved remote control functionality. Feedback on setup is generally positive, with users appreciating the unit's quiet operation even on the highest setting. The air and dust sensor appears to work well, effectively controlling the unit based on the detected air quality. However, a common complaint revolves around the difficulty of inserting and removing filters. One user raises concerns about the unit's power, expecting a more robust performance. Additionally, issues with the remote control battery size and a quality control problem with the printed circuit board are reported. While the latter was resolved with some DIY adjustments, it brings attention to potential quality control challenges. In conclusion, the DeWALT DWXAF101 air filtration system generally fulfills its intended purpose, providing efficient air cleaning in a variety of working environments. However, some users encounter challenges with the remote control and express a desire for enhanced features, suggesting room for improvement in future models.